Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday and we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is our 5 routines. Now these 5 routines don't happen every single day, but they happen most days. The daily routine, which is when you get up in the morning and do your morning routine, that is daily. The after dinner routine is daily. And the before bed routine is daily. So if you don't have those 3 down, I want you to really focus on it because these happen every single day. Morning routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine for the rest of your life. It's not a bad thing. The other 2 routines, the laundry and paper routines, the laundry routine is 5 days a week. The paper routine is 6 days a week. Now, if you're a fly baby who works outside of the home, a payroll fly baby, you may or may not be able to do laundry 5 days a week. If you can't, then you're going to have to put some of it on the weekend. The paper routine, however, needs to happen 6 days a week, 1 inch a day to get rid of the paper in your home, slowly but surely, forming good habits of not recluttering with paper. Okay? That's your routines. The next thing we're going to do in our 3-layer cake is our zone. We're in zone 3, the master bathroom, or not the master bathroom, the main bathroom, and 1 other room. So pick one of those things that you want to do that you've written down in your planner at the beginning of the week, 4 things, 1 a day, either decluttering if you still have clutter for 15 minutes, or deep cleaning 1 thing for 10 minutes or less, and go do that. If you're working, you're going to do it after work. If you're not working, you're going to do it right now. Yes, you are. And then the 3rd thing that we're doing today is our our basic weekly plan rather, which is our planning and desk day. Yay! But before you sit down and start doing that, make sure the zone is done. Because when your body is up and moving, you're going to keep moving. Once you sit down, it's going to be hard for you to get back up and do that zone work. Okay? All right, so we're going to do our basic weekly plan item, which is planning and desk day, which means go look in the fridge, the freezer, and the pantry, take inventory of what you've got, get rid of the stuff that needs to go, wipe it out a little bit if it needs to, the refrigerator. Make a menu based on what you have, and a grocery list. This is the key. A grocery list based on what you don't have. That's it. So if you don't have spaghetti noodles, but you have spaghetti sauce, why are you going to buy more? Just buy spaghetti noodles. No, you don't need to buy 2 boxes if your family just eats 1 box. Just get 1 box. You're going to be okay. We're trying to stay under budget. And if you're going to save a nickel this week, that's not enough to have bunches of stuff in your house that you actually can't see what you have. Now, if you're a prepper and you've got room to store these things and you take good inventory and you know what's happening, that's a different story. But if you're just a person who has a little pantry in the kitchen and that's it, and you're not going to be prepping for large amounts of things, then you're just going to buy what you need. Please do this. It's going to help you stay under budget. Okay? All right. So you're going to buy the things that you need that fill out your menu. So make your menu and then think about lunches, breakfasts, and snacks. Those also, I put them on my menu, but you can do whatever you want. And then look and make sure you don't have things for snacks already. Or you just need 1 little thing to fill out the rest of the snacks. You don't have to keep buying, because that's when things go bad in these small pantries, okay? All right, that's it for planning and desk day. No, that's not it. That's it for food. Now you're going to go ahead and manage your business account. This is your business. This is your home. So you're going to go manage that account. You're going to balance it. You're going to look at your budget again, and you're going to pay your bills. And then when you make your grocery list, you're going to see that, oh, I can't spend quite as much on groceries this week because I spent too much on Christmas. So let me cut that down a little bit. What can I change? What can I get? I need to get it down to under $1. And I also need to remember that I have to have extra food for Christmas next week, so I might want to even cut it down a little more this week. Okay? You can do it. You're a good budgeter. All right. Then when you're done, and you can enjoy the rest of the day. Now, for those of you who are payroll fly babies, again, let's look at it. You're going to go to work. Do as much of this as you can at work on your breaks and downtime, if you can. If you can't, that's okay. When you come home, you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, make sure your dinner's going, and work on your zone. Those are the things you're going to do. And then later in the evening, maybe you can do some basic weekly plan. You can look at your planner, you can look at your menu, you can go look and see what you've got in the kitchen. Maybe you were able to pay some bills on your lunch hour, maybe not. Maybe you have to save bills for Saturday or Sunday afternoon. Whatever it takes, that you're in control, you're the alpha, you have the planner, make sure you budget your time wisely, okay? All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.